everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is going to be a skincare related vlog. So I got this package I guess last week, and for good 3 days it was outside. So I thought that if anything on this package, it's gonna disinfect naturally. And then it was in a garage for good 4 days, and then I thought that now I should open this package. So in this package I have a products from Kora Organics, and time to time I switch from one skincare to other because with the time our skin also changes. So I just try to experiment with new skincare products, especially if it's organic. Now one thing I want to tell you guys, when we say organic, if it comes to cream or serums or any kind of moisturizer, it can't be 100% organics because they can use natural ingredients, but to preserve those natural ingredients they also use chemicals. The only thing, those chemicals are not bad for your skin. The only 100% organic skincare you can get through the oils. So I use lots of oils. Some other day I will review those oils for you, but today I need to open this box with you because I was just thinking about what should I do today, and then I thought that let's make a vlog about this skincare line. I am very bad when it comes to open any kind of a box, and Igor is always like, you open box like a kid, you have no patience. Right now I do not have any patience. Oh my god, what to do with this? Very strong packaging. So this is how it looks. I love pink color. And then they have some khabar. So that's the inside. Everything is gudur mudur. So let's see. I actually almost forgot what I bought that day from the online store. So the very first thing is a hand cream. This is how it looks like. Pretty packaging. Okay. So mostly ingredients are natural and skin friendly, and also they are vegan. Okay. So let me try this hand cream with you guys. So I'm taking just this much. It smells so like natural. If I just want to give you first reaction or first impression, it's very light hand cream. Observe very quickly, and there's no shine, which I like. Especially in summer, you don't need anything which is very greasy or shiny. I want to see one thing. Okay, lavender. That's what I was thinking, that something is here which I really like, or this fragrance I'm very used to. Now the second product is hand cream again. Actually I bought one hand cream for myself and one for my sister because me and my sister mostly like the same kind of a stuff, and I know if I'm buying something which I think it's gonna be good for myself, my sister definitely gonna ask that why didn't you buy for me? So Didi, this one for you. So I also bought like travel friendly product because this is the first time I'm trying Kora Organics. The only product which I tried earlier, it was like kind of a serum. It was okay, and I liked it, but not too much. So this is a mist. This is a rose water mist. I hope my camera is picking up. I love the packaging. So cute, so cool. Okay. When it comes to mist, I'm not a mist person because I feel, what I did, I just opened completely because, oh my god. Okay. Now the problem is because my hands are now little slippery, so I'm failed to open it. Anyway, so I was talking about the mist. I'm not a mist person because most of the time companies making mist and they using more than one product, and I love to use single ingredient product. Like I love to spray rose water on my face, which has only rose water, nothing else. But this one, it doesn't come with any kind of a packaging. So I don't know. I can't see the ingredients. But anyways, I know that it has more than just the rose water. Okay, finally I open it. I'm going to try this on my face also. Okay, so the fragrance is obviously rose fragrance. And I'm going to pat on my face. Okay. First impression is, for me, it's just okay. As I said that I just like, just normal rose water, nothing else in it. But I know that there's something else, some kind of essential oil. Then there's another one, which is lavender one. As I said, I love lavender. It's a calming one. And this one I bought for my sister. So I'm not going to try. So I bought some extra. As I said that I gonna give this to my sister and maybe to some of my friends. This is this. And now I'm going to show you the cleanser. This is the travel size cleanser. It is cream cleanser, so good for dry to normal skin. This one is a gentle cleanser. This one is good for sensitive skin. And this is also cream cleanser. These I don't want to use right now, but whenever I'm going to use it, I definitely going to give you a review about it. What else? So the bill or a receipt. This is, I'm not going to show you. And then they send me a free sample of a mask, which I gonna use. And what else? This is my box. So I have a one thing which is very weird. When I got a cute box or beautiful boxes, I just like to keep. And Igor is like, oh my god, Aarti, you are keeping lots of trash. So this is one habit I would like to change, because this is not a good habit. But sometime you can make something really beautiful out of these kind of boxes. You can arrange something extra stuff, and you can just make it pretty and beautiful and arrange it somewhere where you can just open and take out the stuff. It's just something I saw somewhere and I was like, I can try it. So that's it, guys. This is the only stuff I wanted to share with you today. And people are very happy when they got diamonds and gold and some kind of a very expensive stuff. I'm a kind of a person, I'm happy when I got lots of skincare like this. I'm like la 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 la. With this, I really want to say all of you a big thank you to watching this video, and also take care of yourself. Be inside the house and be safe and enjoy this time with your family. So I'm going to end this vlog here and I will see you soon. Bye.